Hello everyone, and welcome to a new Get to Grips with video. In this video, we will show you how to install Microsoft Office on your computer. If you use Microsoft 365 for the web or mobile, you can skip this video. To install Office, first we need to go to our favorite search engine like Google and search for Office Deployment Tool and visit the Office Deployment Tool page. Next, we click on the Download button to download the Office Deployment Tool. This tool is enough for us to install Office. Once downloaded, we browse for the downloaded file and run it as administrator and choose a location to extract the files to. Once finished, we notice that there are two extracted files. One of them is the installer, while the other one is a configuration file that tells the installer which version and which applications to install. To customize and select which MS Office applications to install, please watch our video on this subject. The link is in the video description. To make things easier, we create a new folder and copy the extracted files to that folder. Next, we click on File on the top left corner of the File Explorer and then run PowerShell as an administrator. In PowerShell, we type the following command. This command is included in the video description below. We copy the name of the configuration file we want to use. Then we paste the name of the configuration file that we just copied, and then we click Enter. Finally, we wait on the installation to complete, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we will discuss how to customize MS Office installation and select which applications to install, so make sure to check our other videos and don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on social media. See you then.